Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in and ready. Open your Google account settings and go straight to security. Once there, confirm your recovery phone or email so you don't get locked out. Next, scroll to the Signing into Google section where two-step verification lives. Make sure you have your phone nearby because Google will use it to confirm identity. This prevents interruptions later. Doing this now avoids redoing steps if verification prompts appear. Proceed to the two-step verification link and tap Start. After tapping Start, Google will ask you to re-enter your password for safety. Do that now. Once accepted, pick your primary second factor, Google Prompt for simplicity, Authenticator app for stronger security, or SMS if you must. Add at least one backup option immediately, such as a backup phone number, 10 printable backup codes, or an Authenticator app entry. This layered approach ensures you can sign in if your primary device is lost. Make sure each added method is verified before moving on. Toggle two-step verification on and follow any final prompts to confirm your chosen methods. This activates protection immediately. Once enabled, test signing into Gmail on a different device so you can confirm prompts, codes, or Authenticator entries work as expected. If something goes wrong, use your backup codes or the alternate phone you added to regain access. Do not repeatedly try incorrect methods. Finally, store backup codes securely and update recovery info when you change phones to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.